Of course, man. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the beautiful R1M. I'm going to do a little photo shoot today. It's a nice Friday. It was really hot earlier, but now it's like really nice. I thought it's still gonna be really hot. It says the weather app said it's like in the 80 degrees. It sure doesn't feel like, I don't know, like 85 or whatever it's supposed to be right now. Feels really nice. So yeah, just bringing you guys along, just a chill video. I'll show you guys the products, hopefully, if I get the pictures in time at the end as well. Just your daily dose of riding, just a chill ride, nothing crazy this time. But I do have some crazy content coming up tomorrow. Wait, no, maybe not tomorrow. Might have a little group ride tomorrow, but after tomorrow there should be a really nice meet, so that should be exciting content. Yeah, last week I rode the H a little too much because I got it tuned and the auto blip and all that stuff, so I literally almost forgot to ride the R1. Also wanted to take the R1 because look at this brand new carbon fiber piece that I put on. I never felt the need. I put on a few carbon fiber pieces on the R1, but not too many because the bike already comes with a lot of carbon fiber, so I never felt the need to put any. But I don't know. Recently I've been wanting to buy some parts for the bikes. That's why I did the tune and the auto blip for the H2, and I bought this carbon piece right here for this bike. I bought another carbon piece, which you guys will see very soon. I think it'll look good for the videos. It's kind of these, oh my god. Okay, I need to keep my eyes on the road a little more. I keep hitting these bumps. Whew. What's up, man?
Good, boss. How's it going?
Good, who are you?
Good. Dude, it's hot.
It's actually better than I expected.
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be way hotter because it's supposed to be 80 something. This doesn't feel like 80 something.
Yeah. Earlier it was like
Yeah.
86 or something,
Yeah, that's why I was like, let's meet a little later.
yeah.
But I didn't know how soon the sun sets and all that. That's hard to stay straight looking back. It's like hard to stay straight while I'm looking like back. I'm trying, yeah.
Definitely. That's sick. I want to get into them, but my mom's like, they're too dangerous. Like, which I understand, but
Yeah. My mom didn't talk to me for like 2 months
Yeah.
when I got one. Yeah.
Fun versus mom.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm sorry, bike. I know you're hot.
Just move my motorcycle real quick.
That looks cool as is,
I know. I'll take some on its own.
besides the spatter webs.
Yeah.
Shout out your Instagram.
Erlen F Photography. ERLEND F Photography.
I'll write it down too so people know. Yeah. Of course, man. Be safe. That was a fun little photo shoot. Hopefully I get the pictures in time so I can show you guys. Just post it in the video instead of Instagram later on. Check out his Instagram. I honestly don't usually shoot with like random people, but I saw his page and I liked his stuff, so I figured why not. He's local. I didn't have too much stuff planned for the day, so gave it a shot. Cool guy, and it was a lot of fun. Now we can just hope to not get any cop interaction. I'm honestly thinking of, nah. Okay, the thought has crossed my mind a couple of times of getting a bike and putting an exhaust that's not like that loud on it, just so I can ride without kind of worrying about cops and all. But first of all, come on, the bike is not alive without an exhaust. It needs its own voice. And also, I believe in loud pipes save lives, man. Let me tell you guys, I live in a pretty populated area, and many times I ride in traffic. So I definitely think that like cars move when they hear my bike coming. We'll see what the next bike is going to be. I have no idea at this point. There's too much going on. I'm very unselective about what I would want to get. Whoa. As I said, guys, traffic. People say that the cars in front of you can't hear you coming. Oh, trust me, they can. When you have a really loud exhaust, they sure can. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. Wasn't much of a ride. Hope you guys still enjoyed this video. I know some of you like the chill content. If you did enjoy it, please like the video. Helps a lot. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Ride safe. And thank you all for the support.